So decided to have a go at repairing the nose that was damaged in the last flight of the OvO, and to document it so that anybody else could see just how easy it is or how difficult. Start by sort of opening it up and folding back the layers, making it a sound body. Took the side piece that I cut off and used it as a template, which I then was able to use to make a new piece out of foam board, size that up, then left with obviously the gap at the top, which is a little more difficult. It's not an even shape anymore. So I take a piece of paper and using that, I just wrap it round, use my hands, get a general shape, cut out those sort of areas, and then offer it up again and repeatedly try it until I get the sort of shape that I want. And then transfer that paper template to a piece of Depron, do a bit of bending, and then glue her down so that she's now formed the whole shape. Bit of sanding, then offer up the old hatch cover and see how that needs to be adjusted. Add some pieces of foam, a little bit of filler, and Bob's your uncle. There we go. And so finally, just dress it up then with some tape and put a little bit of red on the nose just to emphasize it.